Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Skaters. OMG. I am super excited about a thing coming up. I am super excited about my cruise coming up. And also looking around at the different radio frequencies, I've been judging myself on taking the DM1701 or the BCD325P2. So also coming up on a future YouTube video in July, I am going to be taking you guys with us on our trip either to Madison, Wisconsin, or to my Aaron Tipton show that my mom planned for me, which I feel really, really, really proud of myself. I feel really lucky that I graduated from the Excel Center. And also coming up, you guys, I also feel really excited about my cruise. And there's also like several different radio frequencies. There's like several different stuff that different people listens to and like looking around. So probably the first thing that I recommend everybody does, like if you guys go on like a famous trip, it's like plan out whatever you guys are wanting to listen to, okay? So let's do an example like me, okay? The example like me, I like to listen to radio frequencies that is outside of our zone, okay? Because while I'm up there in Monroe County, up there, their radio frequencies are so very quiet and so very awkward, which I think is really kind of weird about the entire thing. So, also looking around at the different radio frequencies and looking around like at the different areas, there is like so much, you guys, that I'm looking forward to on this cruise. I'm looking forward to like spending time with my mom and spending time with my grandma, and also, you guys, which I'm also looking forward to, it's like listening to the radio frequencies like in that area, like seeing like what do they got in their radio frequencies which is different from ours. So the first thing that I might do, and just saying, I don't know yet that I might do it or not, it's that I might take my BC325P2 for the Project 25 Phase 2 communication in the areas, and also I might look around like at the different places that has like so much different areas. And also, you guys, with my cruise coming up and a couple of great places that I'm going to, which I feel really excited about and looking forward to, which, hey, I don't got that long until I find out about the greatest trip in the world, and I get to check out a place where I never been to before. Okay? I have never, and I mean never ever, been to Wisconsin. Wisconsin has been on one of my bucket lists, and going there, I am super excited. And also, whenever I go up there, the radio scanner I'm going to be taking, and I'm going to turn this around and show this to you guys, is that radio scanner right there. The BCD 325 P2 radio scanner, because that radio scanner right there has done a lot. Which I'm honestly feeling like so very excited. I feel so very thankful that I get to go and check out this area. And also you guys, I'm also excited about checking out Bimini, the Bahamas, and when I get close to my cruise, I will talk about that and let you guys know like what's going on and like what are the radio frequencies that I'll be listening to in that area, like what are the different stuff that I can listen to. There is going to be lots and lots of different areas that I'm going to be listening to, like on our cruise coming up, which I honestly feel really excited, and I just feel really looking forward to this. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody's looking forward to using like their areas of like expertise, like if they ever get to go down to like a new radio scanner place and listen to those like whenever you guys want to. And like honestly, you guys, if you guys are new to my channel and you guys want more and more stuff like what's going on in my neck of the woods, like also looking around like at the different radio frequencies, and also checking out the different areas that you guys can listen to on so many areas. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I just wanted to put this video out there about the top 4 things that I'm excited for coming up thanks to the greatest mom ever, Miss Katie Florkey. And this girl is like one of the bestest moms this kid could ever have. And I'm like really proud of myself for that I have me a mom like her. And also you guys, and also like looking around like at the different radio scanner feeds that I can listen to like while I'm up there in Dan County, Wisconsin. Like there is like a lots, and I mean lots and lots of different systems that I can listen to which I honestly feel really excited and looking forward to. So if I turn you guys around and show you guys my computer, which I kind of pulled it up. So this right here is like showing you guys the radio frequencies in Dan County, Wisconsin. But you guys see that they use this system right here, which I'm really am excited about pushing into my radio scanner. I'm also excited about pushing in these frequencies. And also I'm excited about looking around at these frequencies right here, which I feel really am excited and I feel really am looking forward to. So I hope everybody's having a great day. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm saying this again, so if you guys haven't, hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. If you got if you guys haven't already did, in today's video, I'm trying to get up to like 145 subscribers right now. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and make sure you guys share the video out to your friends, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.